Hello and welcome to another episode of RayJ. Well, it's not a review, obviously, it's just a thing again. Another beautiful day here in Crosby, and I've had a long day at work, and after a long day at work I like to do something fun. So today decided to get the gun out again, the Crosman Storm XT break barrel pellet gun, and I'm going to shoot something again today. I'm going to shoot one of these balloons right here, and I'm going to capture it using my Panasonic FZ1000 in slow motion. Just as soon as I get it all full of water. The balloons, I'm going to fill the balloons, not anything else. Alright, first thing we're going to do is put the hook in the ground so we can hang the balloon. And that looks about right. Perfect. Yeah, hang the string here. That. Good. I haven't filled a water balloon up in many years, and I've never done it with one of these type of hose ends, so that we'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. This is already, I can already tell this isn't going to work. Well, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Well, not working great, but okay, that's sort of worked. Yeah, let's try to get a little more. Well, I've got to get a little more in there than that. Okay, that's a mess. Goodness gracious. All right, let's try that. Okay, so everything is wet, and by experience, I'm lousy at tying knots, so I'm just gonna throw it in right away and try to use duct tape. Okay, needs more duct tape for sure. I can tell that already. It's because I'm skilled. Alrighty. Got it. Now I gotta set up the high-speed camera over there. Setting it up. And let's check how we are looking. Check. Well, the gun is cocked and loaded. Camera's rolling, so it's time to shoot the balloon. Okay, so I just went in and watched the slow motion footage. It looked pretty good. I liked it. Let's watch it again. And again. One more time, just to be sure. Well, it's pretty fun, much fun, shooting this gun and blowing up stuff. I hope to do some more. I'm going to come up with some new ideas and things to shoot. And I hope you come back and watch other episodes. But most importantly, I hope that you can get out and enjoy life.